honest.
Hey Carter, what are we about to do?
We're about to die.
We're about to die?
Yeah, Kevin's gonna kill us. Kevin's gonna kill us.
Put safety glasses on.
Hurry, go, Kevin! Go, you fucking retard! Go, go!
Look at this.
What? Look at what?
There's a semi shoe.
Oh my God!
On my head.
Hey, look at this. It's a semi shoe. Why is there semi shoes in here?
Kevin, you fucking did, bud.
Kevin.
Good job, bud.
Oh my. All right, so we came a little bit hot into this area of the pit, and I'm not necessarily going to say that anything bad happened, but if you look over there, kind of something did bad happen.
Tyson?
It's really easy to cut the catalytic converters off now. So let's go get the saws off.
And right about this area is what happens when you, like a heavy duty brake shoe hits the back of somebody's skull doing about 60 miles, sorry, 80, in a barrel roll. Mind you, I've been on this earth for 51 years. First barrel roll. I'm actually kind of impressed.
I'm going to take Tim Bogey's car.
You got a cut. How the fuck are you going to the prom now, Kevin? Kevin, your prom date's got to leave you. His name was Ed, right? Kevin, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Kevin mad. I'm going Todd, but I know.
I know. His name was Ed.
I have to clean out.
He's a boy, Kevin. This be shoving your fucking dick in a fucking asshole anyway. Bye. Yep. Kevin do. Kevin did. Kevin do.
I think she's, someone get the jump pack. This bitch will drive back.
I'm telling you, it's going to run. It was running. I shut it off. I didn't want it to catch fire because I knew how long it was going to take us to get. Watch out for the fucking nest and go in your fucking eyeballs.
Driving out of here.
Night ain't over, boys.
Go ahead, Kevin.
Night ain't over. Night's just still young. How the tables of tables.
Get this thing out of here.